Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia entry for the arcsine function, or ASIN. The arcsine function returns an angle in radians for which the sine would be equal to the input argument. Now, because the sine function is periodic, there are multiple angles for which the sine would be equal to the input argument. The arcsine function always returns a value, as shown here, an angle between negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2, or between minus 90 degrees and positive 90 degrees. And I've just graphed a unit circle and then taken the sine and cosine to graph that, taken the arcsine of each of those values, and then plotted the sine and cosine of the angles that it was able to return. I've also built a small random angle generator, which shows that if you take the sine and then the arcsine, here we go, here's an example, where the angle is in quadrants 2 or 3 of Cartesian space, or anywhere left of the x equals 0 line, then the output angle would be in the quadrant 1 or 4, or anything right of the x equals 0 line. You can see how that's just a reflection about the y-axis. For input values, the input to the arcsine function must be between -1 and +1 inclusive. This concludes the video encyclopedia entry for the arcsine function. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and drop me a comment if you were looking for something else, or if you just have a comment. Happy excelling!